What's up, guys? Welcome to Lotus RC. So this is our first ever unboxing. Today you're going to meet the first member of the crew here. So let's pop her open and see what we got. That's right. Losi 22S SCT. This is the brushed version because I'm kind of a newbie driver. So let's get into this box now. So, it's your owner's manual, some shock adjustment stuff, a few tools, extra pinion gear and screw, the Horizon card, sticker sheet, so let's check out the truck. Knife. Hopefully that's still, yeah. Move it back just a hair. There we go. What a beauty. Got that MagnaFlow. Gonna have to change this over to 89 because that's always been my race number from back in my motocross days. Let me bring you guys over here to my temporary table. So let's pop her open. Got 4 body clips holding the body on, typical RC truck. lifts right off. You can see it's got that white kind of inside, typical. So let's bring you in. Okay. Back you out a little bit. So you can see here, rear motor. Got your ESC here, battery there. Put your battery in from underneath, which is really kind of cool. Pop open your battery compartment. Little piece of foam in there. I'm guessing you use as a spacer if you're using a thin battery. You can see here, plastic chassis, metal on either end. Tires feel decent. Bumper, not very much give in these bumpers, so yeah, if you hit something, I don't know. Well, shock's definitely doing this feel better than my old ECX Boost. So let's bring it in here. Got that SRX 200 servo. There's that. And your motor is a 12-turn brushed motor. I'm going to tell you right now, most of this system is going to get swapped out because I do plan to start racing with it. This will be my first truck basically. So I'll switch all this out for a 17.5 stock truck system. Probably put a Savox servo in there. I had that in my Boost buggy after the original one broke and I liked it. So I'll probably go with that. Got your little antenna. Looks like probably just something to keep your wiring clean right there. Now if I bring it in, you can see these are not threaded body shocks. So you'd use clips basically to adjust your ride height and stuff. Here's your power switch. My battery and charger have not come in. So this doesn't come with batteries or any of that. So now, oh, my bad, stepped on the bubble wrap. Let's move the truck. Now your remote does come with double A's. So your remote will work out of the gate, but you gotta buy a battery for your truck. What the hey? Okay. Comes in bubble wrap. Here's your remote. There's all that info. It's a STX 2.4 gigahertz radio. All kinds of bells and whistles. I'm used to just a basic Spectrum DX2 from my old ECX, so that'll take some getting used to. Feels good in the hand. Trigger feels like it'll be nice and smooth. Wheel feels good. So, yeah, guys. I can't wait to get this thing out and play with it. Give you guys a first impressions and then show it on the track days and whatnot. So thank you for swinging by. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Stick along with me for the journey as my driving skills increase and this truck gets cooler. And I'm also probably going to get some kits and do some builds and stuff, so let's have some fun. Thank you for swinging by. See you next time.